Lift the wiper arm up as far as it will go and rotate the lower end of the blade upward until it releases off of the wiper arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. Locate the adapter marked with a B. With the B at the lower end, rotate the adapter so it is at a right angle to the arm end. Pull the adapter onto the wiper arm until the cross pin in the center of the adapter slides into the groove in the arm end. Rotate the adapter toward the underside of the arm to lock it in place. Match the arrow on the adapter with the arrow on the blade and lower the adapter into the cavity in the top of the blade. Pull the wiper blade toward the wiper arm until it locks in place. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm.